Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. So I wanted to come on today and show you guys what I eat when I want to drop 10 pounds really fast. What I like to do is have a lot of fruit during the day. So I'll load up on fruits during the day, and then for dinner I'll have a simple salad that's high fat and nutrient dense. So take a look at this haul that I just did to give you an idea of what I'm eating when I want to drop 10 pounds really fast. And this is what dinner generally looks like: a high protein, high fat salad with lots of avocado, cucumber, grape tomatoes, a little bit of sea salt and pepper, and any other seasonings that you want to add to it. It's so filling and delicious, and it'll leave you full for hours. Remember that eating lots of whole fruits and hearty, healthy salads is a great way to lose a lot of weight in a small amount of time. And it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to do like big recipes, especially when you're eating this way. So definitely pick up your favorite fruits. Make sure your salad is very hearty with lots of good fats to keep you full and satisfied. And I'll see you guys in the next video.